yeah. Introduce you some products, okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Introduce, yeah. Okay.
So,
the
so the mic.
speaker. Yeah.
So everyone, welcome to our booth. So I'd like to make a brief introduction of our company. So our company name is Ningbo Changrong Lighting. So we have been engaged in emergency lighting for about 20 years. Yeah. So our major product is our intelligent emergency lighting monitoring system. This is a part of DANI system. So this is widely used for some high-end projects.
High-end projects.
Yeah, for some commercial buildings.
To have the ULO.
Yeah, but no, this one is not UL, it's QV.
QV.
Yeah.
Okay. It's for Europe market.
Yeah, you see, this is our control panel.
The control panel.
Yeah. All these emergency lights and exit signs are connected with this control panel. So this panel can monitor more than 255 devices. Yeah. It means the whole buildings can be monitored by this device.
400.
Yeah.
Oh, great. So this one, it can be one building, something like this.
Yes.
Yeah. This is the monitors for.
This is our most advanced technology.
Yeah. The emergency lamps monitor. This one can be controlled by at least 400 emergency lamps.
Yeah, on the control panel, you can see all the status, the battery status, the charging status, everything of the devices, all the detailed information.
So they can know how much they have the power inside, the electronic power
connected with this panel.
Yeah.
All these control panels are connected with the AC. It is separately. Yeah, this only connected with this. This is RS485 protocol. This is addressable only communication cable. No voltage involved.
No voltage involved.
Yeah.
Okay.
So all these emergency lights connected with AC separately. See, they only transmitted data to this panel.
Yeah.
So this panel only receive data and also send a command.
Send the command. Okay.
You can see.
Now it's charging. This one, is that right?
Yeah, it's charging. So I will show you.
Okay.
For this panel, we can do fire drill. Okay. Fire drill.
Torch.
Okay. You see, I choose one loop. It will do fire drill for all the devices. Okay. Now they are doing fire drill.
Oh, the fire drill.
Yeah.
Now it's turned on now.
That is AC power turned off.
AC power turned off.
It's an emergency mode. Let's look one. Okay. And we can turn off them here.
Oh, can turn off.
So the whole buildings can be monitored by and controlled by this device.
Okay. A whole building can be monitored by this one. Yeah. So most of the customer, when they purchase the emergency lamps, and they also purchase the monitor together.
Yes, this must be a
together.
system.
So how much normally if a 10 pieces, do you have also this monitor or maybe the minimum quantity of this monitor?
We can offer small quantities, but this item is very expensive.
Oh, very expensive.
Yeah, hundreds of dollars.
Hundreds of dollars.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're small buildings or
so
small
no need to this one. Yeah, great. And how about this one?
Yeah. On this one, these parts are our emergency converter. Yeah. This is a driver to make this is a tube, to convert it to emergency. I will show you. Yeah. So I mean, this is age tube after power failure, so it will turn on automatically. It's just like
a converter.
It's a converter.
This is the converter.
this converter.
This converter.
This is the battery backup.
Battery. This is the battery.
Yeah.
This is the converter.
Yeah.
Okay.
So once the AC power failure, so please supply it with this battery.
The battery. The AC power off and then turn off. Okay.
Okay, so this is for
Emergency panel.
yeah, this is for panel and this is for downlight.
Downlight.
I'd like to show you this one.
Yeah, this is the new product. I see the last time you have the factory tour online, and your college also tell us it's really this item and this item. I remember it.
On this one, this is our products for our major products, our major market for Europe and in North America.
North America.
For those exercise for the United States, and all this Running Man science for Canada. All these emergency lights and exercise Running Man for Europe market.
This is mainly for the Europe market.
Yeah, all this one. That's different for our emergency lighting. Different markets we need different signage. Yeah, exit is for United States only.
Exit for United
States.
United States.
Yeah.
Okay.
For Canada, they need a Running Man.
Running Man.
Yeah, not exit.
I know this Running Man. This Running Man left side, Running Man left side like this. Yeah. We also have many Running Man.
So everyone, if you like to know more about our products and our company,
Yeah.
you can
This
visit our website.
exit is for the Europe market. Is for the USA market, and this Running Man is for the Canada market. Hey, this is the
This is exit and this for this is recessed.
Recess. Oh, okay.
各位来宾在一种常态化时期，为了维护他们的身体健康，请您规范佩戴口罩。
So much for our introduction.
Yeah. Last time your college also take it out and then explain the products for us.
I mean demonstration.
Yeah, online last time, and we see we also contact your factory at that time. Yeah, and we asked you about the main market, and then you reply us you have the Amazon. Yeah, your company has the Amazon. Yeah, I remember it. Okay. Okay.
Okay, everyone. Thanks for watching.
May I have your name card?
I didn't bring a name card.
You haven't bring your name. You don't have the name card? Okay, no problem. And if if the customer contact your sign, yeah. No, they take a picture. Yeah, okay. So if any customer needs more information about their access lamps, and then you can contact their website here, Alibaba, and also their WeChat and mobile number. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for good business. Okay.